Hey, welcome to Scrapping It Up. I am Vanessa Peter, and today I'm doing another album share with you. This is style number 2 of the Pocketful Folios. All right, I released style number 1 just the day before, and showed you what it looked like and everything. Today I'm going to show you style number 3. Okay. You can go pick this up in my shop. It's Pocketful Folios. It has 7 different folios that you can make. Okay. I have 3 of them decorated, 4 of them I don't have decorated. I will be getting those decorated and coming on and doing a final, show of them so you can see them all in their entirety. But I wanted to get this out to you because I know a lot of you are starting your Christmas presents, and these are quick, easy, fast folios that you can make and have, a wow factor. Okay. So let's get started. So I just kind of collaged some of the stuff up from the collection. You can put a photo mat here. I added a little bit of twine and a card from the collection. And I did use the black kraft-tex on this one. And there's the back. And again, I got both of these. Both of these are from the Jingle All The Way. I got both of these folios decorated with this paper. And I still have scraps left over to do some 12 by 12 layouts. So yeah, you'll get both these with this collection. And it's Jingle All The Way by Simple Stories. So let's open it up. So you open it up. Very quick, easy, simple folios to make. Look at that. Ain't that sweet? I love it. I love this paper collection. Oh my gosh. Simple Stories just really outdone themselves. Beautiful. So you can put a photo here, journal. Because it's always important to journal about what our pictures are about. Because we may not always be around to tell our story. And they need to know why Grandma was laughing so hard she about fell out of her chair. Stuff like that. So then you have your stacked pockets here. Okay, this one, the very last one, does go all the way down. Okay. And again, these are very quick and easy. Then we have a pocket here. Okay. And this one here, I just kind of folded. There's a piece of cardstock that I had left over, and I'm like, that'd be cute. And use the snap cards from the collection. Very cute. And it just fits right back in here. All right. Then this flips open, and you have a pocket here. I don't know why I didn't make cards to go there. Photo mats, but I didn't. So then here, you have your slanted pockets. Okay. And here's a photo mat that I used from the collection. They have tags now, which is wonderful. And I just glued the bottom, and they just fit right in here, and then go right back in your big pocket. I've done the same thing here. I mean, those little tags are just stinking cute. Then I just kind of decorated that up. And then just a plain photo mat. Okay. All right, that is style number 2. Beautiful, beautiful. So now I've showed you style number 1, style number 2. In the next video, I'll do a final review of folio number 3 out of the Pocketful Folios. If you want to purchase this, go to my website, scrappingitup.com with no G. I'll have the link down below. Please let me know what you think about these. I hope you make them, because they're a lot of fun to make. They're quick, easy project that you can do in 3, 4, 5 hours, just depending on how fast you craft. All right, that's it for right now. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Keep scrapping.